How to share and download Cloud Windows PC restore points. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Sign into the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center at https://go.microsoft.com/fwlink/? Link ID = 2109431. 2. Go to Devices Windows 365 All Cloud PCs 3. From the list of Cloud PCs, choose the Cloud PC that contains the restore point that you want to share. 4. Click the restore points, preview, link. 5. From the list of restore points, choose the restore point that you want to share. 6. Click the Share, Preview, button. 7. In the Share Restore Point dialog box, select the users or groups that you want to share the restore point with. 8. Click the Share button. The selected users or groups will be able to restore the Cloud PC to the state that it was in at the time of the selected restore point. Note asterisk you can also share multiple restore points at the same time. Path. Sign into the Microsoft Intune Admin Center devices all devices bulk device actions.